Hey buddy, how you doing? How's it going? Step 1, get mean. Where's my coffee? You expect me to read this? Step 2, practice magic. So, is this your card?
No.
Is this your card?
No.
Is this your card? Is this your card?
No.
Oh, right? It's magic. Step 3, eat a Smurf. Step 4, shamelessly promote the production blog.
The power of Gargamel compels you to check out the Smurfs production blog.